both enjoy staying in very modern luxe 5-star hotels.
Hi, my name is Dan, and this is my beautiful wife Ria, and we're actually the homeowners of this lovely home.
It's actually modern luxe. We got our inspiration mostly from Pinterest. So we've done a few months of research and we just pinned some of the photos that we would like to build to our home, and then we just show it to our ID. We both enjoy staying in very modern luxe 5-star hotels. So we would like to incorporate it in our home.
Before we sleep every night, right, me and my wife would actually choose some things that we like from Pinterest and actually create a mood board. So with that mood board, we actually showed that to our interior designer, and that's what made him have a clearer understanding of what we actually want for the house. He managed to come up with a good design. We both agreed on it. Chapter 30 was actually recommended to me by a friend of mine, and we met with Gerald actually. And after sitting down with him, we kind of realized that amongst all the other IDs and companies, I think he's the best fit for the both of us. And yes, he definitely made things come true for us. Yes, definitely. We love the house and we're actually very satisfied with the overall outcome of the renovations, and we just want to thank Gerald, of course, for building our dream home. Me and my wife would definitely recommend Gerald, of course, to everyone else. The most important thing is the budget of the house, right? So we had more plans for the house actually, but due to budget constraints, we had to cut down a few things. But of course, it still turned out lovely.
We absolutely loved our 2-meter island that Gerald managed to do up for us. I would advise homeowners to actually explore your options first. Meet with a few firms, meet with a few interior designers to see which one you would vibe with better. For us, it's very important that we can communicate with that person, with the ID, and basically build that good rapport.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.